This is BirdNote. It's time to retire the insult bird brain. Many birds, especially jays, crows, and parrots, are remarkably clever, capable of problem solving, and even using simple tools. And in recent years, we've gained a better understanding of how they can be so smart. In humans and other mammals, intelligence is seated in the neocortex, the large, rounded mass of neurons that gives our brains their distinctive shape. The neocortex is organized in vertical columns and horizontal layers of neurons. Birds lack a neocortex. Their forebrains were thought to be entirely organized into simple clusters of neurons. But when scientists took a closer look at a structure in birds' brains called the dorsal ventricular ridge, they found similarities to the neocortex at the cellular level. Specialized microscopes revealed that the ridge has neurons in layers and columns, different circuitry from the rest of a bird's brain, and similar to the structures in the neocortex. This physical basis for intelligence helps us understand birds and their behaviors, and it's a good reason to stop using bird brain as a put-down. For BirdNote, I'm Michael Stein.